Hello friends, today we will discuss the basics of Matlab. Okay, once if you are installing the Matlab in your laptop, so icon exists on the screen. So just you have to double click the icon. Okay, so you will see the screen of Matlab. Okay, so here I will show you how to create a file, save a file and run the file. Okay, before going to this, first we will discuss what is that Matlab, right? So Matlab, it is the description of Matlab is matrix laboratory, right? It is the abbreviation of Matlab, matrix laboratory, right? Why that name came? Because we are storing the data in the matrix way, row into columns. That's why they have kept the name Matlab, matrix laboratory. So what is the use? Why we have to use this Matlab software? Because in order to compute the mathematical equation very easily, right, we will use Matlab. Okay, so just we will transform the mathematical equation into a code and we will execute n number of times very easily. We can possible to write any complex mathematical equation into a code and we can run n number of times. We can see the result in many ways. Okay, so here we are using this Matlab software in many applications such as digital image processing, wireless communications, in our DSP, digital signal processing and so on. Okay, so now we will see how to create a file. Okay, so you have to go home, right? So in this home you will see the new script, right? New script, just you have to click this, or you can also press Ctrl plus N in order to get empty file. Okay, otherwise just go home tab and press new script. You will see the empty file. This named as default name untitled 1 or 2, like that. It goes like that. Okay, so this is an empty file. Okay, so you will see that window in the editor. This is an editor. This is a editor. Okay, then you have to enter the code in this editor. Okay, just write CLC. I have already explained what is CLC in the previous video. Just check it out, otherwise I will tell you again here. CLC is a clear command, right? So clear command, clear all. What is this clear all? It will clears all the variables whatever we have entered in the current program. So it will appear in this workspace. So once if you are using this syntax in your code, it will clear all the variables. This workspace becomes empty. Okay, then you have to enter close all. These three commands are common to all the programs. Okay, so close all. What is the function of close all? It will close all the pop-up windows. For example, if you want figures and all, right? So if you are writing that code, right? So that you don't need those figures, means if you are using this close all, that that syntax close all the pop-up windows or pop-up figures. Okay, next, just I will write simple code. Okay, so in order to show how to save and how to run the program. Okay, so I will use a is equal to 5. I will perform addition operation, simple add operation. Okay, b is equal to 5. Here the semicolon indicates we are terminating, right, that we are terminating this. I mean, we are just for a time being we are terminating this code, we are terminating this syntax, right? Then c is equal to a plus b. Okay, here I have to use disp function in order to display the value of c. Okay, just after writing the code in the untitled file, you have to save this file. You can use shortcut method, control, can press control s, or so you can use where is this open. Yeah, just press control s, control s. I will show you thereafter once if I am seeing the tab. Okay, Matlab, you have to save in the .m extension. Just I will right now I will give here test. Okay, test underscore add. Okay, it will, you no need to give .m extension, it will take automatically. Just save this file. Okay, okay, once if you are save this file, you have to run, right? So you can press F5 button, F5. One second, it is stored with I have to save or not, control S, right? Yeah, it is there. Test, right? I have save, save. Okay, add test. Okay, we just have to close this one. Add test. Okay, then you have to run. Okay, so you will see that save button in the editor tab. See, this is an editor tab. You can see this save button. You have to save here. After that, you have to run, right? You have to run this file. See here. So it displayed output 5. So just I will give 5 and 5. Okay, I will save this file, then run. It will display 10. Okay, so again I will show you. Just go to home button, press new script, and just I will copy this code. Okay, control C, save. You have now to save, you have to go here, save, uh, test underscore anu. You have to store in the dot. Here, see here, test underscore anu. Okay, just I will change the values of these variables. I will give 10 and you can directly you can give run button, or otherwise you can also press F5 button. Okay, function F5. Okay, see here the output is 20. You have to press function button simultaneously. You have to press F5 in order to see 20. Okay, otherwise you have to press this run button, right? You will see the 10 plus 10, the answer is 20. You will see that output in the command window. This is a command window. Okay, this is command window. This is a prompt button. You can see this is a prompt button. So you can also execute the code in the command window, but it is not we will not prefer to execute the syntax in the command window, because we are always write a set of syntax, right? We won't write two or three. If you are executing two or three codes in the command window, it is okay. But if you are writing a more than 100 lines of program, 100 lines of code, right? So then it is command window is not suitable. Okay, so here we have given two variables, right? There are three variables A, B, C. These variables are exist in the workspace. Okay, these are the workspace. Okay, each variable stored in the one by one array. It is a double. Double means what? 64 bit or 8 byte, right? So I will show you. I will open this. Just you have to double click. See here, this is one box, right? One cross one, right? One by one matrix. So it is a one cell. So one cell is equal to one double, or how much? 8 byte or 64 bit. Okay, so this is our result. This is a value, this is our B value, this is our C value. The C stores, this acts as a memory. This acts as a memory, right? In the C variable stores the result 20. See here. Okay, this is A variable value, this is B variable value, this is C variable value. Okay, so then once if we are open the file, you have written the code, then you have saved the file, then you have run the file, you have saw the output in the command window, and also you have saw all the variables whatever you have given, you have used in the code, you can see in the workspace. And how can I see the saved file? Right, you can see the saved file in the current folder. See here, it is in the left hand side. You can see in the current folder I have gave the name, I have gave name test underscore anu, right? I have gave test underscore, it is there here. See here, test underscore anu, this is my file name. You can double click, you can see that file. Okay, and also you can open here. You can, if you are clicking here, so it will open that where you have saved the file, right? So here I have given anu test anu, right? So this is my file name. Today in this today date, it is saved the file test underscore anu. Okay, um, I hope you will understand how to open the file, how to run the file, how to save the file, how to create a file, right? So here the main three windows are editor window. In the editor window, you can write the code, In the command window, you can see the result. In the workspace, you can see the variables, whatever you have used in your program. And in the current folder, you can see the file name, current file name, and also previous files. Okay. Thank you very much. Happy learning. Have a great day. We will see in the next video with the more information about MATLAB. Thank you.